Dan the Houseman coming to you again in regards to a very common problem. You have a toilet that is leaking water past the flapper, causing the fill valve to turn on repeatedly. We call it the phantom flush. You hear the water running for maybe 5 to 10 seconds and then it stops, and it does it over and over and over again, wasting your water, running up your water bill, and otherwise aggravating you. The culprit is this old flapper. I mean, take a look at this thing. It's in really bad shape. Okay? Imagine the difference between these two. The red tells you the difference. When it's turning pink, when you look in the toilet and you see that your red flapper has now turned a light pink, folks, it's time to get a new flapper. Now in this particular case, this is for a Toto toilet. Do you see these little arms here with these clips? It's very easy to take this off and put a new one on. You simply pull and it comes off, okay? These spring open a little bit and pull off of the arms that they're attached to. You take this one and you simply push them on. And we get a good look at those things, okay? It's pretty easy to do. It's not that hard. You do not need to call a plumber and pay him over $100 to put a flapper in for you. You can do it. Now this flapper has an adjustment. You see these holes? I'm going to put it in just the same as one was that I took out. 2 holes open. This controls how fast the flapper shuts, okay? It's very easy to hook up. This is just a little chain you adjust to be at the right height, so it has just a little bit of slack. You don't want it too tight, okay? And you don't want it too loose. It's sort of like, the bear's cottage. Not too hot, not too cold with the porridge. Well, you don't want this chain too tight or too loose. A little bit like this, just a little loose. That's fine. This flapper is going to cost you, about 12 bucks. All right, you can buy a more expensive one, but why? I'd highly recommend that you check all the flappers on your toilets, because the cost of this flapper is nothing compared to the water bill you will face if you have multiple toilets leaking water all day, every day, okay? Why waste the money? Get a new flapper, put it in, and save the money. Dan the Plumber out. Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Star Home Finders, McHenry.